This bus broke down, so basically it was driving and then suddenly the engine just died and it actually got repainted to lush green when it was in Go Ahead Singapore. But honestly, what's the point of repainting it to lush green when it's just going to come back to SBS Transit?
这样，我这辆车它开会自动熄火，熄火了就转向盘和刹车都没有，出现过好几次。没有什么明显的，它就一瞬间熄火，然后没有什么红的灯啊，黄的灯都没有。对，我关了电，总电又打着，然后又出现，我到现在总共出现有4次。
Yeah, 4 times he tried to restart the bus, but
我现在不要载人，然后我自己空车驾回去啊。我空驾，这个知道。行，那好的，好的，谢谢。不好意思，我的车坏了。司机的方式坏了，对不对？坏了。对，错还是错呀？我给你们打这块啊。这边只要打停下车，搭下一辆巴士，不好意思，每人拿一张真票给你们。Sorry 啊。
that's interesting.
The bus has actually broke down and the bus riders have contacted the origin control center. Wow!
Last year of the new year.
Oh my god, insane man! No,